Navigating DoorDash Red Card issues, do's and don'ts. As a DoorDash dasher, you've likely encountered situations where the red card, the payment method used for certain orders, has malfunctioned. When this happens, it's crucial to handle the situation appropriately to avoid inconvenience and potential financial losses. Here's a guide to the do's and don'ts when dealing with DoorDash Red Card issues. Do's. Try the payment one more time. Before panicking, give the payment process another attempt. Sometimes, network glitches or temporary card issues can resolve themselves with a retry. Contact DoorDash support. If the payment still fails, don't hesitate to reach out to DoorDash support. They're available to assist you and resolve the issue promptly. Avoid paying from your pocket. While it may seem like a straightforward solution, paying from your own funds can lead to complications. DoorDash reimburses dashers for red card payments, but it can take time. Submit a receipt for reimbursement. If you do choose to pay from your pocket, be sure to keep the receipt. Once DoorDash resolves the issue, they will reimburse you for the payment amount. Submit a photo of the receipt to support to expedite the process. If you have set up Dasher Direct as your payment method, DoorDash will automatically reimburse you on the Dasher Direct card. This ensures quick reimbursement without the need for manual processing. Avoid self-unassigning. Unassigning an order without support's assistance can impact your earnings. DoorDash typically compensates dashers for half of the order value in this situation. Request support to unassign the order to ensure you receive the proper compensation. Don'ts. Panic or rush into decisions. Take a moment to assess the situation calmly and avoid making impulsive decisions. Contacting support should be your first step. Assume you'll be reimbursed fully for out-of-pocket payments. While you will be reimbursed, there may be a delay and a potential deduction for processing fees. Using your own funds should be a last resort. Forget to submit receipts for reimbursement. Proper documentation is essential for securing reimbursement. Save receipts and submit them to support promptly to receive the full amount. Unassign orders without support's assistance. Self-unassigning can affect your earnings, especially if you're entitled to half the order value. Request support to unassign the order to avoid any discrepancies. By following these do's and don'ts, you can effectively handle DoorDash Red Card issues and ensure you're compensated fairly for your time and effort. That's it for today's video. Remember, staying calm and following these guidelines will help you navigate any issues with your DoorDash Red Card. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Like, share, and until next time, happy dashing!